Greetings everyone, my name is Stone Prophet, and here I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install the Valheim Beyond mod pack in the fastest and best way that I know how. This will also include how to download the R2 Modman Mod Manager, which is the preferred mod manager of choice for most people who still use mods in Valheim. Now this may be your first time using mods in Valheim, or this may be the millionth time you're using mods in Valheim and you just want to get to the installation of the mod pack. If that's the case, you can cut forward a couple minutes while I explain the process of actually downloading R2 Modman. You can type in Valheim mods into Google and you're going to get these two things at the top. But really the main thing you're going to be focused on is using the Thunderstore right here. All mods, Thunderstore. And this is the screen you're going to be prompted with. These two items here are pinned at all times on the Thunderstore Valheim site right here. Valheim.thunderstore.io. Just drag it into your thing, save it. I've got it saved here. But R2 Modman is right here. And this is this program that we're going to use. So you could just click this. Of course, you can't install it with a mod manager because you don't have one. Manual download. It's going to download the zip file. You're going to open that and just drag all this into a folder. Just drag it all in there. And then just run the setup. It's just going to install it just like any other program on your, it'll probably ask you to put a desktop link, a desktop shortcut, and then you're done. And then it's installed. I don't need to do that because I already installed it. But that is the installation process for that. Very easy, very straightforward. It's always here. And if you want to go back to the main menu here, you can always click back, or packages right here will get you back to the main splash screen. You've got some filters here, ModPacks, Hilda requests. These are basically tags that are given to certain things just to kind of keep things a little more organized here on the site. So I've done a video about the Thunderstore before. I'm not going to go over its ins and outs. We've downloaded R2 Modman, right? So we are given this screen when we first start up R2 Modman. It's going to ask you, what game do you want to play? Valheim. Again, this is covered in one of my videos, but I'm just walking you through it step by step. Select game. Whatever you're using. I would assume Steam because I have not used it on Game Pass. I'm assuming that it's possible to use mods on a Game Pass version. I don't really know. I click Steam. Okay, now I've already got a bunch of profiles here. Let's not worry about that right now. We're gonna make a new one. So we're gonna do tutorial. Okay, call it whatever you want. Tutorial. There it is. Select profile. I don't have any mods installed. Of course I don't have any mods installed. But we're looking for the Valheim Beyond mod pack. Now, here's your little online tab right there. We're gonna click that. It's the Valheim Beyond mod pack we're looking for. We're just gonna type in Beyond. And there it is. First one, Valheim Beyond version 1 by Valheim Beyond. You're gonna click that. You're just gonna click download. Now, if you didn't want to use the online search tab in R2 Modman, you can just do it here. Just type in Beyond. Now, the only thing is that here we're searching mods, not mod packs. Now, mod packs are filtered out by default here. So if you were to click mod packs, now here's all the mod packs that have been updated recently. I'm sure if I scroll down far enough, you could find mine, but we're just going to search for Beyond. And there it is. Season 1, Valheim Beyond. So we've got two methods to find it. You can even go to Google. You just type in Valheim Beyond and bam, Valheim Beyond version 1 right here. Okay, it's going to take you to the site. You can install it with your mod manager here, and that will install it with your mod manager. It's all going to take a little while, or you can manually download it. There's no reason to do this unless you are missing files. Now, I will tell you that there are files in this mod pack. These mods are not actually technically in the physical mod pack itself. They're just links to tell Thunderstore what to download for you. Now, we're going to do it through this interface. It's all going to happen here anyway. So we've selected the version. We're going to download the most current version. And all that information can be found here on my server about what is the most current version. If there's any changes to the servers, any changes to the mod pack, all that information is listed. If you scroll to the bottom of the Thunderstore, you can see here there's some images from the servers. And there are the list of changes made. I try to keep this as informative as possible, so if there's any conflicts with mods, there's some awareness of what the issue might be. In any case, we're going to push download with dependencies right here. It's just finished installing 126 mods. Now, included with these 126 mods that it's downloaded here are the local files. Now, let's take a look real quick. If you go to settings and you click browse profile folder, that's going to pop out a folder with all of your mods and all of the stuff that is in your profile. So BepInEx is where all the mods are kept. Here are all the mods, physical mods that have been installed. The DLLs are there. Now in config, I've included marketplace sounds, which includes a huge amount of MP3 files that are all part of the experience of the world. Voice lines for the characters and such and such. There's also an extremely large amount of custom creatures and NPCs that I have made. Those are all included in the mod pack as well. These files are installed with the mod pack. Now, if you go back to your installed mod pack files, there is a mod here that is not really a mod, it's a mod pack. Valheim Beyond version 1, okay? When you get updates, this will also have an update. Do not uninstall this, because what happens is it will uninstall all of the custom sounds and creatures. So don't uninstall this. If you try to remove a mod, it says it will remove this. It will remove that, and you'll just have to re-download everything. And one of the other good things is also with updates, if you're having trouble getting this profile update, and when I mean updates, let's see if I can roll this back easily. Let me just change the profile. I'll create a new profile. Old version. Old version. Here we go. Alright, so I'll download one. This is an outdated version. I'll download the outdated version, and then I'll show you exactly what it looks like when you need to update it. I've got 9 mod updates here. All right, if we click here, we see that we've got them all listed here, and at the bottom, also the mod pack. And just update that. Look, latest version, 1.1.8, download with dependencies. All we did was update this. But now look, we've got one available mod update, and that is correct. So the version of the mod pack isn't always going to give you every single mod update. If you had clicked update all, it would have updated Odin's Kingdom to 1.2.9. The mod pack isn't updated, nor is the server to that version. So when you need to update a mod pack, don't click update all, because you don't know if the server version is updated. So we always, when we need to update our mod pack, any mod pack that you're updating, mine, somebody else's, if it's got an update next to the mod pack, that's all you need to worry about. Don't worry about any updates for anything else, because you know that the mod pack should have the correct version. If you start updating everything individually, that's going to change things. Now, if you make a mistake, all you got to do is either, just make a new profile. So go to change profile, create new, Beyond 2, and oh man, I messed up my install. Now I gotta re-download everything. Ugh. Let me find the mod pack again. Beyond. Okay. Now let me click download. Yep, better be the right version. Okay, so now you've got the correct version. All you need to do is click start mod. Okay, and now we're here. So this is Valheim Beyond. And now we've gone from downloading the mod pack to now we are in the world. This is the starting area. And there's a bunch of NPCs to talk to here, a bunch of things to do. You can go to the bar.
I supply only the finest goods.
Get some things you need for coins. So that's it. That's from start to finish. That is how you download the mod pack, install it, load it up, and connect to the server. Thanks for taking the time to check this out, and I hope you all have a great day.